Look at this lady. Thank you, Mother. This lady right here.
Wonderful Savior. Blessings be upon your life, many, many more.
Thank you.
God bless you and may God keep you in perfect peace.
Thank you.
Yeah, bam!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's so special. What it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do.
Hey, y'all good people. How you doing? How you doing? Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hi to all my new subscribers, the gang, to all my old subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Y'all, look, listen, today is your girl birthday. Really? Y'all, I'm old, okay? Child, I'm 42. 42. But I'm blessed because somebody ain't make it to live to see 42, okay? But I'm blessed, but whoo, these bones feel old, child. But anyway, y'all, I'm just out and about. I don't have no specific place that I want to be or something that I want to do. Y'all know I'm just easy going. I just go with the flow, y'all. I'm just blessed to be alive, breath in my body, good health, okay? But anyways, whatever I do today, y'all already know I will pick you guys up. So I'll talk to you guys later.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Hey y'all, so we decided to come to the Lickin'. Never been here before. Can't wait to taste their food and rate it because they done hyped it up so look, I was walking in the door and the lady was like, "Girl, you eat turkey wings?" I was like, "Yeah." She said, "Girl, get the fried turkey wings and add a little lemon pepper on it." I was like, "Okay," but that ain't what I'm gonna get. But you know, she was giving me a suggestion. I don't know what I want, but they got a lot of stuff on their menu. I am gonna give y'all my honest opinion because y'all know, just like they hyped up that Popeye's chicken sandwich. Child, that was a normal chicken sandwich to me. But anyways, I'm gonna give y'all my little honest opinion about the food. But anyways, let me go ahead and go over this menu and see what I want. And I'm gonna pick y'all up in a minute. And y'all, look, listen, y'all already know it's my birthday. I'm gonna get into a little something. But the real turn up gonna be Sunday, okay? I'm gonna take y'all to my town with me, okay? Y'all probably ain't never heard of it. It's like a dinner with a party. I'm gonna take y'all. Just wait till Sunday.
Snapper, chicken wings,
Steak, dinner, and tilapia. y'all, let me give y'all my honest opinion about the licking. The atmosphere is on point. I like on point. The music, good music. The friendliness, I'd probably give it a 3. There was nobody there to sit us. The waiter or waitress, she definitely took her time doing everything, okay? It was a little wait, at least 30 minutes to get our food. Never did get a refill. Like, never did get a refill. The food, I give it about a 5. You know, people hype it up. I just got wings, candy yams, and french fries. The candy yams could have definitely used more sugar. The fries was way too hard. My wings, they was okay. That's why I give it a 5, because of the wings. Other than that, it's just the licking. It's just a restaurant that you probably can go to IHOP and get better food than that. But, you know, for each his own, y'all. I'm just telling y'all my experience of the licking. Maybe if I go somewhere else, it'll be better. You see, I got some to-goes back there. I didn't, you know, even finish it. But anyways, I'm going to catch y'all at my next stop. So y'all, here I am doing something that I'm terrified of. Y'all know I never rode a plane. You know I ain't never been on no helicopter if I ain't rode no plane. And here I go, finna get on this helicopter, y'all. It's actually landing right now. I'ma try to show y'all, well, at least them loading or either it landing. But anyways, y'all, whew, ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? Conquer your fears. And today is my birthday, why not? Let's get on this helicopter, y'all. Let's do it. Y'all, look at this. I don't know, can I do it? I think I can do it. I'm gonna do it, y'all. Jesus, Bill Fish, y'all pray for me, okay? Check them out, use the right arrow on the keyboard, throw them all there. Hey y'all, so I'm about to grab me some dinner. I'm at Manny's Chop House and I'm not sure what I got a taste for, but whatever it is, y'all know I'll show you guys. I'm kind of hungry and I'm kind of not, so we'll see, guys. Y'all, I'm so greedy. I started eating before I showed y'all my food, but oh well, let me show y'all a little bit of it. I had a steak, broccoli, a fully loaded baked potato, y'all. I'm full though.
Special occasion. Floretta's birthday! Yay! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday from the Manny's crew. Wish us her birthday so we can
Hey y'all, how you doing? Your girl is about to go turn up, y'all. Yes, indeedy. I'm getting with my sisters, my sister-in-law, my nieces, friends, and we just finna go have a girls' night. Okay, guys? I am about to go to this place. It's called My Thai. It's in Orlando. Y'all look, listen. It's like a restaurant slash club. Y'all, from my reviews, it be lit, okay? I'm gonna take you guys along with me, of course. Let me show you guys what I got on. I'm waiting on my sister to pull up. She should be pulling up in a minute, y'all. But anywho, let me show y'all what I got on. Your girl is hot. I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off. But anyways, y'all, let's go turn up. So y'all, I just threw on this red shirt and it got this leopard printing on the side of the shirt. Honey, look, listen, I got my red bucket bag because of course my shirt is red, so why not with the bag? Then I threw on my leopard leggings, y'all, along with these shoes. Now I would not keep on these red shoes, y'all, because I'm going to the store and I'm gonna get another pair. These kind of hurt my feet a little bit, so I'm not gonna, you know, keep them on. I'm just wearing them because it matched for right now. But my sister is on her way and we're gonna stop at the store and I'm gonna grab another pair of red shoes and I'll show y'all them when I get them. But this is my little outfit for the night, so let's go turn up, y'all. Let's get it. So y'all, I came to Rainbow and this eye right here is irritated. Y'all, I had put on some got glitter on me. I had put on some mascara and it irritated this eye. That's just, but whatever. But anyways, I came to Rainbow because I was looking for me some more red shoes, but I don't really see nothing that I'm gonna have to probably keep on the shoes I got, y'all. But anyways, let me show y'all the selection of red they got. So of course they got these ugly tennis shoes that I would never. But anyways, they have these, and these was cute, don't get me wrong, but they was too dark of a red, so that was like ugh. And then they have those up there, they just didn't go with what I had on. And then they had these and they was more like an orange red, so it was just like a no, y'all. But anyways, y'all, I done made it to my sister's house. My sister done bust out a damn outfit. T, tell them gang. Tell them gang, T. Girl, you got y'all look at the shot.
Yeah, we ready.
Bitch, I'm nervous, okay?
We got wine.
Oh yeah, we got wine. I can't do that hard what a crowd raw Pete. I'll stick with the wine. Some Stella.
We got the dry.
So guys, we done made it. We at my tie. See the sign, let me zoom in for y'all. That's where we at. And y'all, it is a line, as y'all can see. Excuse the sun, y'all. But it's like a bunch of little clubs and bars on one strip. Downtown Orlando. It's hot out here too, y'all. We finally going in, y'all. That's my crew. Gang, gang, y'all. They all the way back there, y'all. We going in.
I begin to
Yeah, they use. You fucking lying. 37,000 for that? I'm dead. No, it's fixing the whole thing off the side. Bitch, shut up. Huh? Girl, I'm finna turn my damn head. I'm done. So I agreed to behind. I stopped at the Cheesecake Factory just to get some cheesecake, y'all. I don't know, I kind of got me a taste for some banana cheesecake. I'm gonna see what they got. What you say? Mango kilo? I got a banana kind, y'all. Y'all, I know I look crazy, okay? I done came home. I'm tired. I ain't tired, y'all. I'm tired. I wore out. But y'all, look, listen. When I tell y'all, I give my tie a 10 out of 10. I recommend, baby. Look, listen. I do. I give it a 10 out of 10, y'all. Oh, look at all that makeup. I give it a 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend, okay? Definitely, y'all. Look at my hair. It's flying. Y'all, it was so lit enough. I ain't show y'all half the stuff, okay? It was lit. And I mean lit. So if you just like to have a good time while you're eating, my tie is definitely the place. But y'all, look, listen. I had used this mascara, y'all. And I noticed that it had started irritating my eye over here. And then this eye went to itching. I'm like, why is my eyelash? It's just really, I don't know if it was my eye. It was like more of my eyelashes. And I'm like, why is my eyelashes itching? I'm studying, you know, whatever. And I took it off or whatever when I got home. And then I woke up in the middle of the night to go use the restroom. When I woke up in the middle of the night to go use the restroom, y'all, my eyes was literally like welded shut. It was just cold. It was just welded shut. So like overnight, in between me sleeping or something, I don't know, my eyes got irritated, I guess. I used this mascara right here. Let me get it out my jewelry box. I had got it out of TJ Maxx. It's called Lift and Curl Mascara. And it got argan oil in it. And baby, look, listen. This is this right here. Can y'all, I hope y'all can see. But anyways, this is this one right here. And y'all look, listen. When I tell y'all it had my eyes so freaking irritated. This one right here is still, it's bothering me a lot. I'm gonna put some medicated eye drops in it, y'all, because it's really bothering me. And I don't want to go to sleep again and wake up and my eyes, you know, just ain't right. So ooh, y'all know that eye drop. Ooh, it makes your day now cry. And oh, I don't want my eyes to be all, you know, irritated and, you know. So I said I better put me some eye drops, you know, in my eye or whatever. But hopefully it won't do that tonight. Hopefully everything will be normal. But y'all, I'm home. I'm finna take off all this, go get me a shower right quick, because you know I've been around a whole bunch of people and germs and all that kind of stuff. So I'm finna take me a shower and wash my night away, and I'm gonna relax and probably fall asleep, y'all. I'm tired. Probably gonna find me a good movie, y'all, and fall asleep on it. But anywho, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all whenever I pick this camera back up. Hey y'all, I'm at the Dollar Tree. I just turned y'all on. I ain't turned y'all on at the house because I was trying to get ready before my mama come, but I'm at the Dollar Tree. Y'all, in this video, y'all gonna get 3 different birthdays. Y'all gonna get my birthday, my niece's birthday, and today is my sister's birthday. So we just turning up. Well, we done turned up the other day. I don't know what we gonna do. I am finna link up with my sister. I stopped at the Dollar Tree. Now we're gonna get her some balloons. Ma Duke's already in the store. We gonna get her some balloons and stuff. And I really don't know what we're gonna do today. We're probably gonna turn it into probably a shopping day or just out and about day. I don't know, because I'm tired, y'all, from the other night. My legs are so freaking sore. But you know, I'm gonna keep y'all updated whatever I do. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later. This is a cute card my mom picked up for my niece. Very cute. I ain't gonna read it to y'all. Y'all read it to yourself. I don't feel like it. Y'all, they already have the fall decor out. My favorite time of the year is cool. They have the little pumpkins, the bowls. Y'all, I really don't decorate a lot, but I do try to put up me some little fall decor though. They have the little pumpkins and things. I might buy a couple more things. I still got some stuff from last year that I'm gonna put out. So I ain't gonna go too crazy. Y'all know I don't do a lot. Look good, y'all. Look at this. That's cute. And they got the big leaves in case you want to have like a fall dinner party or something like that. You can decorate your table. They even have it in orange. And they have this for the kiddos. I don't got no little kids, but cute. Y'all, I need one of these so bad. I've been looking for them in Walmart, the little planners. Y'all, I like to write down my stuff, you know, why it can fit in my purse, because if I don't, I'm gonna forget. And they don't really have no cute ones. That one all right. No, I might just get good vibes. I don't want nothing with no horses on it, so yeah, I'm gonna get good vibes. I'm gonna reach for the bag though. Just get this one. I done pulled up at my sister's house, y'all. We got several balloons. And you remember it was my niece's birthday too. So let's go in and surprise her, y'all. Happy birthday!
Thank
That's
you.
my sister, you guys.
Happy birthday. Where your birthday at?
That's my sister, y'all. So y'all, I'm in Burlington's and they got these Jordan book bags in here for $7.99. $7.99, and then it's back to school tax free. I don't know how much you gotta spend to, you know, for it to be tax free. But to me, these look like little kids book bags. I was gonna get Jeffrey one of these, but they look like little kids book bag with the lunch box and all that. He don't, So I'm just gonna wait. But it's a good deal though for $7.99. But anyways, y'all, let's go on over here to these bags. Let's see what they got. First, let me see what kind of shades they have. No, I be looking. They ain't really got a huge selection. Look at all these empty slots. They only got like these right up in here. But y'all know I be looking. Martha Stewart be having some clean shades. These Jessica Simpson, they're a little too big for me. These are Jessica Simpson as well. But anywho, let's carry on. Let's look at some bags. It's a DKNY bag for $49.99. It's a Steve Madden, that ain't bad. I wish it was in a different color though. For $26.39. That was in a different color. This kind of reminds me of an MCM bag. Little Tommy Hilfiger bag for $24. What's the 15? 9 West. I don't know what that is. What brand? For $15.49. Now this polo book bag is fire. It's big though, y'all. I don't need no bag that big. But it's clean and it's only $24.99. Oh gosh. Damn. Y'all, look, listen. I'm debating. Let me give y'all a better look. Let me move it up here. That's clean. I got a red and blue one like this. Well, not just like this, but something similar to this. I'm gonna regret it if I don't get it. That's the thing. They also have a guest book bag down here, and it is, oh crap, I'm knocking down stuff. It's $44.99. I'm debating. Oh, boy. Let me hold on to it. I don't want nobody else to get it, and then I'll be gonna change my mind, y'all. They got some Juicy Couture for $27.99. Book bags or $32.99. Oh my goodness, I don't know what else catches my eye, but this bag definitely caught my eye. I don't see anything else that's eye-catching. They also have a bag, just like the book bag, for $24.99. Then they got Tommy Hilfiger right here. And it is, hold on y'all. I know I got the camera everywhere. It's $34.99. Okay, guys, I done made it to the shoes. Got some Reeboks over here. I don't even think these are my size. No, these are the 6. Someone just stuck these here. This is $29.99. And what are these Pumas? They look good too. For $39.99. Look at those. Not my style, of course. I don't really see anything that catches my eye in the shoes. I don't see any good slides, any good sandals. I'm gonna carry on, I guess, to DKNY. Definitely not my style. They have some really cute benches in here. I don't know what their price is at. Let me see, let me lift this one up. Ooh, uh-oh, the leg missing off this one, but it is $99.99. So $100. This one also lifts up. And it is, I'm gonna have to do my purse crossbody. Keep getting in my way. The same, $99.99. But they have some nice pieces in here. These footstools are $39.99, which isn't bad. They have some beautiful wall decor. Y'all, I might have to put music over this because they have music playing really loud. But look at their wall decor. It is beautiful. I love this. And the prices aren't bad. $24.99. This one is $24.99. Let me see how much the gold mirrors were. They were $39.99. So not bad at all, guys. I love mirrors. Maybe it's just me, and this definitely isn't bad. These 3 sets of mirrors right here for only $12.99. Let me see, do they only have, oh no, they have gold, black. Okay. Oh, and these are beautiful. OMG. I think I'm gonna get these, guys. No cap. These are beautiful. Y'all, what you think? I got the perfect spot for them because one of my mirrors, one of the little thingies came off, the little mirror pieces. I mean, I could just glue it back on, but these are cute as well. They're only $12.99. Let me go get my sister. If she said no, then I'm gonna let it go, because I really could just glue the other little piece back on. But anyways, let me go get her. I went and got my sister, y'all. So I'm debating. You know those mirrors that I got that go in a row in my kitchen between those 2 pictures. But one of these fell out. Now I can either glue it back together with some Gorilla Glue and just say bump it, or get another set. Which one would you do?
How the other one work?
Perfect. Just that one of these little mirror pieces.
Shit right together. You should have been put that glue that shit right there.
She said we gonna glue that shit right there. So there go the answer, y'all. Yeah. I got it in the little, one of the little chandelier looking things. I gotta
get some Gorilla Glue or something and glue that shit back on.
So she said glue it back. So that's what we gonna do, y'all. Bye.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever. No
Hey y'all, I done made it to Ross. So this is so cute. With the gold scrap. This is really, really cute. But I don't want nothing like this. It is cute. It is $36.99. That is so freaking cute. Let me see what they got. I told myself I wasn't buying any more bags. I lied, y'all. I lied. This is a cute little Steve Madden little tote. Really cute. For $32.99. People is crazy. This is a nice guest purse. Let's see how much. $39.99. But I don't see nothing that catches my eye, y'all. So I'm gonna carry on. So y'all know that I normally buy seasonings out of Ross or either Burlington. They have this Southwest seasoning. It's an all-around multi-purpose seasoning. Hope you guys can see the lighting is terrible in here. And honey, it's only $1.99. Like, you know that's going right in my cart. Don't play with me, go play with your daddy, okay? This is a salt-free Italian seasoning. I don't know if it's $1.99, and it is. And it is. I'm gonna grab this too, but not from the front. I'm gonna get that as well. Let's see what else they have, y'all. Y'all know I love me some seasonings. I cook a lot. I don't even know what this is. Fruitful Delight. No, I don't need nothing like that. I normally get these. This is roasted vegetable and fried, whatever this word is in Spanish. I guess that's the same thing, just in Spanish. That looks good too, and I think it's probably $3.99. Of course, I know my seasonings. I can buy them all the time out of here. And I never use this one. It's a spice blend, Adobo Old Spice Blend. I never use that one either. So I might grab these two as well. And that's probably all I'm getting out of here today. I haven't seen anything else that catch my eye, guys. Let me see what else. I don't need any rosemary. They don't really have anything else that's catching my eye. So I guess I'm just gonna go with what I have. I'm gonna go check on their candles as well and see what kind of candles they got. Y'all, I'm in Bells. This is gonna be our last stop, I promise you. But anyways, I'm in Bells, and it says Bells Home Centric. Like, it got two different sides. Like, let me just show y'all. Okay, guys, you see how it say Bells, and then it has the Home Eccentric right there. I don't know, it's like two sides. Like, half of the store is red, that's Bells, and the Home Eccentric side is like nothing but home decor. So let's see what they have. They have these little shelves, and I'm not sure how much they is. These little accent tables for $119. That's not bad. This is cute if you just want a little office desk somewhere in a little area in your home. It is nothing but $79.99. And I also like the chair too. They're really nice, and they're $99. That's nice. They have all types of lamps. I don't need no lamps, so I'm not gonna go down there, but they do have a lot. They have all types of rugs. It's like they gutted Bells out because the Bells where I live at is definitely not, yeah, definitely not belling like this, okay? They even have the big Oriental rugs, guys. Whoa. I'm not sure the prices on them. I don't see any prices. Oh, yes, I do. $2.99. You need what, babe? You need what? When I say babe, I'm talking to my sister, not a man. Yes, $2.99. I see one for $1.59. And that's a really big one, so that's not bad for that price. For $1.59. Yeah, go all the way down. That's a big rug. Yes. Go Bells. Okay, I see you. They have all this type of furniture. You know Bells done stepped it up. Because our Bells, I mean, my people know, if you watch it from where I'm from, our Bells is, yeah, you get the bare minimum. They have all the fall decor out. It's just, oh my God, I love fall. It's just so relaxing to me, fall. They have a big sign out. Have Halloween stuff already out. I'm running into stuff. It's very nice, isn't it though? That's what I just told my people. Now these are cute. These are definitely cute for fall. Definitely cute. They are $9.99. They are really cute. It is $7.99. They are cute. $7.99. So y'all, look, listen. I'm just getting home. I literally been home maybe 7 minutes, okay? I said, let me go ahead, pick up this camera so I could close out this vlog. Baby, this has been an exciting vlog, okay? I've been all over the place. I told y'all before, I'm going to be there when somebody needs me, when they need to celebrate a moment in their life, when something is going on special in your life. I'm going to be there. Tired and all, I'm showing up. My face going to be in the place. I really enjoyed my birthday, my niece's birthday, and my sister's birthday. Y'all, we did exactly what we wanted to do, okay? I'm just grateful for life, y'all. I can't tell y'all how grateful I am for life. So many stumbling blocks that I've accomplished, got over, jumped over, and it's nobody but the grace of God, okay? There's no way me or my family will be where we at today if it wasn't for the grace of God. Keep him first in everything that you do. You hear me? You can't do nothing without him. And you can't. But anyways, y'all, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to close this vlog out. But not before I show you guys what I got today. Which ain't much. It's not a lot, y'all. I just was out and about. And we were from store to store doing our thing. What we love to do. Shop. Okay? But anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys. And after I get through showing you everything that I got today, y'all already know the routine. I'm going to wash my day away. And then I'm going to relax. So let me go ahead and just show y'all what I got. Okay, guys. From Bells, I got my grandson these two DKNY outfits. They was $5.99 for two. I couldn't beat it, okay? And I'm hoping that I didn't pick up the same outfits because he already have two DKNY outfits, but I'm gonna check. And then, of course, I know y'all seen me pick up some more seasonings, but I had to grab it. Spicy Italian roasted garlic, and it was $2.99 out of Bells. And then my mom picked him up a dino outfit, and it was also $5.99. It's just a little jumper, and it has the little shorts to go to it. So I thought that was cute. And then out of the Dollar Tree, I got Good Vibes, a little calendar book, and two of the sanitized wipes because I was not going to Walmart today, okay? Out of Burlington's, I got a candle, and this is the candle, Honeydew Cucumber Scented Candle. It smells amazing, guys. Then my mom put us on to these gummy bears because they're gluten-free, fat-free, and low sodium. So I'm gonna try those out. Then I got more seasoning. This seasoning and that seasoning was $3.99 each. And that is roasted vegetable and fries seasoning. And then we got a double Old Spice blend seasoning. And these two were $1.99 each. And this is Southwest seasoning blend, a multi seasoning. And this is a salt-free Italian seasoning. So I'm going to try these out. I have not used this flavor before, but I am going to try them out. And of course y'all seen me get this bag. It was $24.99. Y'all, it ain't like I need another bag, but I didn't buy myself anything for my birthday. $25 is not gonna, hurt me for my birthday. I love the bag. I will open it up in a minute so you guys can see inside the bag. I also got this planner, guys. I love it. I'll read to you a little later, probably in another video and everything, about what it says on the front and all of that. And it was $9.99. And I got my son this Jordan shirt. It was $5.99 on sale, red tag. So I grabbed that for him. So guys, this is the bag up close. Real nice bag. It's a polo bag. It got a front zipper in case I want to, put my phone or some change or money or whatever in it. That's good. And then this is how the bag looks. It's just nice. I love the quality of the scraps and everything. Very, very nice. And I know the inside is stuffed just how I like it. I love a bag that's stuffed. I don't like my bags to be flat at all. The more the paper, the merrier. It is huge inside. Does it have, yeah, it have one pocket. It's huge inside, you guys. Enough for me to fit everything that I need in it. It's huge. And then it has a pocket on that side. So that's great, guys. I love it. And like I said, it was only $24.99. So y'all, my son in here, I'm trying to, because I really don't have no more space up there for bags. I need a bigger shelf. But just place that bag that I just bought with my other book bags. And be careful with my bags. Treat them with love, please. Now you got the, yeah, I don't like my scraps. Put that scrap back there so the purse won't be on it. That's... Oh my gosh, please be gentle with my babies. Thank you. Thank you. I got stuff falling. Okay, now where are you going to put my red bag? Because my red bag technically wasn't meant for me to wear today. I just didn't change from when we went out to dinner the other night. So, help your girl out. Straighten up. Because I really don't like the way that silver purse just sitting up there and is not in a, like, slot. Hand me that silver purse. Let me show them. Y'all, this is such a beautiful purse to me. Hold on. Let me really let y'all see it. This is such a beautiful purse, guys. Like, it's like a clutch purse. It is so freaking pretty. I love it. But I don't really have a clutch collection, okay? So we're gonna have to fit this in some freaking where I don't know. But anywho, son, just fit the clutch. Like, scoot that black purse over there, like in the corner up there. Yeah, just scoop that black purse. Yeah, and just slide it in there. Now, my red bag, I don't like it to be smushed. as though I'm looking at that pink bag up there, need more fluff in it because I see wrinkles. But don't worry about that right now. Like, oh God, where can my red bag go that it ain't gonna be smushed? Maybe scoot the picture frame over and put it over here on the other side of the closet. I think that'll be a better idea. No, the picture frame right here that they made for me for Zion. Right there, the picture frame. Right there with the flowers on it. That's a picture frame that way.
Yes.
Yes.
That's what I'm pointing at.
Yes. Let me see it. Show it. Come up with it. Up, up, up. Y'all, I love that picture frame. That's my grandbaby. They gave it to me for Mother's Day. Okay, y'all, like, just put that on that side of the closet. Oh, man, I forgot to put my scraps to my purse in the inside. So just put that red scrap. Y'all, I be working him. I be on his last nerve, but thank God for my boy. He come through for his mom. You hear me? That's the best you could put my red scrap in there. I'm particular, guys. In a good way. I don't worship my bags by far, guys. But I do like what I have neatly done. Even though it don't look neatly, but we'll get there. Is it gonna stay? Okay, guys. Thank you, son, because I cannot reach it. Okay, guys, I did the best. Well, he did the best that he could. He did get my new bag up there, so that's all that freaking matters. That's a Tommy Hilfiger bag back there, and the rest of the bags are just my bags that I done picked up along the way. People have got me for gifts or whatever the case may be. Don't worry about that picture frame. We're going to find a place for it. I really need to just reorganize up here, guys. But this is my little bag collection. I'm grateful for it, guys. Yes, indeedy. But anywho. Okay, you guys. Thank y'all for rolling with me, celebrating with me, having fun with me, hanging with me and my girls. Thank you guys for just tuning in and supporting your girl. I give y'all real life. I truly do. Whatever going on with me, y'all gonna know. If I'm turning it up, you gonna see it. Point blank period. That's who I am. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for supporting me. But anywho, the video must come to an end, guys. And I'm signing off. I am exhausted. As you can tell, I just want a hot shower, guys. That's it. And I'm going to talk to you guys later in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification bell, guys. And I'm going to talk to you later.
There's not much to do.